Good morning, students. The next chemical property of alkane is combustion. Combustion means a reaction of alkane with excess of air or excess of oxygen. When alkane is heated in the presence of air or dioxygen, they completely oxidized into carbon dioxide and water, and large amount of heat is evolved, and this is the reason why alkanes are used as a good fuels. So the reaction is CH4 is a methane. When heated with O2, it gives CO2 and 2H2O. It is balanced equation. The enthalpy of combustion is given by symbol delta CH standard, and its value is minus 890 kilojoule per mole. Here the large amount of heat is evolved. If you consider the next alkane as a butane, butane having molecular formula C4H10, when heated with excess of O2, then 13 by 2 O2 react with methane molecule and gives 4CO2 plus 5H2O. Here the heat of combustion of butane is minus 2875.84 kilojoule per mole. So in general, combustion equation for alkane can be represented like this. CnH2n plus 2 is alkane general formula, 3n plus 1 divided by 2O2 gives n times CO2 plus n plus 1 H2O plus heat. So this is a general equation for combustion of alkane. Then second reaction of alkane is pyrolysis. The pyrolysis means breaking of large alkane molecule into small molecules. That is called as a pyrolysis. So alkanes on heating at higher temperature in the absence of air. This is important condition. When alkane is heated in the absence of air, then they decompose into lower alkane, alkene and hydrogen. And this property, this reaction of alkane is called as a pyrolysis or cracking. Here one example of hexane is given. We know hexane is C6H14. When heated at 773 Kelvin, it gives C6H12. It is hexene plus hydrogen gas, or C6H8 plus C2H6, then C3H6 plus C2H4 plus CH4. So this type of small alkane, alkene and hydrogen, these are the products obtained, and this is called as a pyrolysis. The next reaction and the last reaction of alkane is reforming. Here the straight chain alkanes containing 6 to 10 carbon atoms are converted into benzene and its homologous compounds by heating under 10 to 20 atmosphere pressure, about 773 Kelvin. Then this reaction takes place in the presence of vanadium pentoxide or chromium oxide Cr2O3 or Mn2O3. Then it is supported over alumina. The reaction involves simultaneous dehydrogenation and cyclization. This reaction is also called as aromatization or reforming, because in this reaction from aliphatic hydrocarbon we get aromatic hydrocarbon. Here it is example, that is N-hexane when heated with V2O5, that is vanadium pentoxide, at 773 Kelvin. The pressure condition is 10 to 20 atmosphere. We get benzene plus 4 hydrogen. This process is mainly used in refineries to produce high quality gasoline, that is the fuel used in automobiles. That is about the remaining reactions of alkane. We had studied combustion, then pyrolysis and reforming, and that is about the chemical properties of alkane. Thank you.